Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho project budgets with cost tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Zoho project budgets with cost tracking, begin by logging into your Zoho Projects account. Once logged in, navigate to the project for which you want to set up a budget. On the project dashboard, look for the budget option located in the left side menu. Click on the budget option to access the budget settings. Here, you'll see an option to enable the budget feature. Toggle the switch to activate budgeting for your project. Next, input the total budget amount for the project in the designated field. You will also see options to set a budget for specific phases or tasks if required. After entering the budget, scroll down to find the cost tracking settings. Enable cost tracking by selecting the appropriate checkbox. In this section, you can define your cost parameters, including hourly rates for team members. Make sure to include all anticipated expenses related to the project. Once you've entered all relevant information, review your entries for accuracy. Click the Save button to apply your budget and cost tracking settings. To monitor your budget, return to the project dashboard and click on the Reports tab. Select the Budget versus Actual report to get insights into your project's financial health. Regularly check the budget status to ensure you stay on track as the project progresses. If adjustments are needed, you can revisit the budget settings at any time. Congratulations, you've now successfully activated Zoho project budgets with cost tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.